Welcome to Agile Data. My name is Romans and I'm the author of the concept and the main contributor for this framework. I created Agile Data in a way so that it's very easy to integrate in pretty much any PHP environment. You can use it inside WordPress, Drupal, Symfony, Laravel, Vue, anywhere at all, really. All you need to do is Composer. And that's Agile Data over here. All you need to write is, Composer require, and that's it. You're good. Now, in order to connect to the database, you need this pretty simple code. Now, there are other ways to connect, but I'm showing you how simple things are. So there you go. And in this particular example, I will connect to the database and then I will drop into a shell which is called PSI shell. It's a really amazing library or application, how depends on how you look at it. And so when I execute PHP console, boom, I have this DB connection, which is an object in Agile Data, and I can do stuff with it. Now, I have to say that in Agile Data, I didn't put any of the annotation logic or any of the caching or any of the fancy stuff. Everything is very, very simple. You operate with objects, persistence is object, models are an object, model fields are an object, and so on and so on. So, as an example, I'm going to create a new object from the class model client. And when I'm creating a class, I need to specify the database because there's this concept in Agile Data that the model can be initialized with the different persistences. This is a SQL one, but there could be another one, either RESTful persistence or NoSQL persistence, and it actually works quite well. So now when I'm issue an export command, the model will work together with persistence to actually fetch the data and display it to me in this way. So that's array coming back. And the other really good thing about this interactive console is that I can enhance and add additional things to my models after I have initialized them. So for C, I'd like to do has many reference because it has many invoices. And now if I call C get refs, it tells me that there is actually a reference from the client to the invoices. And then I can use this reference to import an aggregate field, how we did it in the previous example. Once the field is imported, you see that the object that returns is actually a special field object. I can issue export again, and this time I'm getting the total number of items across all the lines for invoices belonging to this specific client. Now that's actually 2 levels deep subselecting here, but I didn't have to write any of that. The framework figured it all out on its own. So now that I have tried a couple of these things in the console, I would like to make them permanent. So I can actually take that and move it up into my class for the client. And after I have done that, I can go back to my UI application, and there's a new field, quantity, in here, and it shows me that this particular client has quantity of 10 across all of his invoices. Thanks again for watching my video, and I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel, because I do plan to come up with more videos shortly.